Guys, hello and welcome back. Today's lesson is quite important, quite confusing. Why? Because it deals with words you thought they are the same, but actually are different. Example of what I'm talking about is the pharmacy and the drugstore. Do you know the difference? The sofa and the couch, the coach and the trainer. Any idea? No? I got you. Let's start. So the first pair of words is the pharmacy and the drugstore. Pharmacy versus drugstore. So pharmacy sells medicines only. It's the place where you can buy medicines only, prescribed medicines. All right? On the other hand, drugstore, where you can buy medicines, snacks, drinks, cosmetics, and other stuff. You don't only buy medicines, you can buy other products. Let's see the difference again. Pharmacy sells medicines only, prescribed medicines. Drugstore, on the other hand, sells medicines, snacks, drinks, cosmetics, and other stuff. You can find salespeople there introducing and advertising for different products rather than medicines. And this picture shows clearly the difference between the pharmacy and the drugstore. As you can see, the pharmacy is smaller than the drugstore because it only sells medicines. Number 2, we have customer versus client. Customer versus client. So, customer buys products and goods. Okay? Customer buys products and goods. On the other hand, client buys services, such as bank services, hospital services, internet services, and other services. Let's catch up. Customer buys products and goods, and client buys services. To make it even clearer, here we have a picture of a person on the left side who has just bought, for example, clothes, and two people on the right side who are talking and discussing about some services and opportunities and how to work together in the future. Next is coach and trainer. They are the same? No, they're not. Why? Because coach improves your overall performance. It doesn't teach you skills. He improves your overall performance, everything around you. A trainer, on the other hand, teaches or trains you on a certain skill or on certain skills. Okay? It can be one or many skills. That's the difference. Let's see again. Coach improves your overall performance. Trainer teaches or trains you on a certain skill or set of skills to be better in the future. And that's the difference. And here is a picture. On the left side, we have a coach. As you can see, it looks like interview. And on the right side, we can see a trainer who's teaching the right technique to lift weights. Next pair, we have a sofa and a couch. Are they the same? Not really. Why? Because sofa is more formal. You can sit and drink or discuss something with other people. Actually, some people have meetings on sofas. Yep, they can organize a meeting. However, couch is a place where you can relax, lay down, sleep or watch TV, eat some snacks. That's why they say don't be a couch potato. It means lazy, or let's call it me time. You just relax, eat some snacks, popcorn or wherever it is and watch TV. Let's see again. So sofa is more formal. You can sit and drink or eat. However, you can have some meetings. Couch is a place to relax, lay down, sleep, or watch TV while eating some snacks. And here is a picture to make the difference clearer. So on the left side we have a sofa, and on the right side we have a couch. Next word, or next pair of words, we have island and peninsula. They are not the same. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water. It's a piece of land inside water or on water. It's 100% surrounded by water. Peninsula is a piece of land that has a way to another piece of land. It's not surrounded by water 100%. Still, there is a way to the mainland or to another piece of land. Just like so. My drawing is terrible, but just to make the image clear. We have a picture so you can understand clearly. So this is the peninsula, and there is a way so you can go to the mainland. So an island is a piece of land surrounded by water. Peninsula is a piece of land. The red color is the water, and inside there is a palm tree, sand, etc. Peninsula, a piece of land that has a way to another piece of land, not fully surrounded by water like so. So we have the peninsula and we have the main land. Next we have a picture, an image of a peninsula and an island. So on the left side we have an island, as you can see, fully surrounded by water. Peninsula, still there is a way to another piece of land. And that was our last pair. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, kindly share it with your friends, comment, and subscribe if you're new. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to share them with us. So till the next time, keep learning, keep vibing with EngVibes. Take good care of yourselves. See ya. Bye-bye.